Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is 7 sense of self development. आज मैं सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट में बात करने वाला हूँ फ्रेंड्स. Self development often leads to the most fulfilling path to success and personal achievement. The most successful people are often successful and happy because they immerse themselves in self development and have deep interest in bettering their life through the use of self exploration. Many will find happiness and will able to develop themselves by remaining open and curious to the world around themselves, especially by paying attention to what it can do for them while simultaneously remaining passionate about improves themselves through either means such as self-education. Through the process of self-development, Westman believe that they can excel through learning and open to different ideas. Table of contents. What is self-development? Sense of curiosity, sense of self, sense of direction, sense of flow through, sense of connectedness, sense of relevancy, sense of urgency. Self development. Why self development? Because it can excel our career, it can give greater success. Today I am discussing the 7 sense of self development. First is, what is self development? Self-development is a process of getting to know yourself through self-expansion, which ultimately leads to understanding yourself and your identity. Through the use of tools and activities, we can develop our talent and potential, using them to help us to reach the goal. Overall, self-development and its result can enrich our lives and increase happiness. Here is look at 7 different senses you will given through the process of self-development. First is sense of curiosity. Sense of curiosity. To live a successful life, you must be endlessly serious about the possibilities the life has for you and your future. You must have feel a look forward to the future and be thirsty to advance and reach the goals you are setting for yourself. One of the most significant factors of curiosity is that pushes you through painful and uncomfortable travels in our life. We use curiosity and wonderment to help us navigate challenging the situation, thinking about what will be and what the outcomes come from them can be. This helps to build resistance and self-discipline, which help you to cast fear aside. By doing this, it will enable to reach the full experience of your adventures in self-development and see how your curiosity can change into success. For example, we can use different piece of technology today, but which may not have if there was no curiosity to push the boundaries and take risks. Sense of self-improvement starts with an insight into knowing yourself, who you are. You need to understand your beliefs, your values, and what you wish to get of looking deeper in yourself. In self-development, real satisfaction can be achieved by chasing your dreams, not the other dreams have for you or the expectation. There are aspects of life can take a toll on people which can be insensitive and hard to deal with. For a reason, it is essential to remind yourself that you are more than the opinions and views of others. Pushing through thoughts aside, you need to concentrate on what is meaningful to you. Sense of direction. When you took a closer look at yourself, what you want to achieve, you become more inclined to what you wanted and get it, and this will naturally take into your direction. This clarity that comes from making decision becomes straightforward. This reason is for this because you can prioritize your time and task in order to importance to what you want to achieve. You are able to pinpoint the objective, what is essential, what isn't. You giving insight into long-term and short-term gains. This sense of direction is self-development will help you become increasing focused task at hands and will you make you more productive. For example, Making a decision in investment requires the investor to think about what their long-term goals. Yes, you have the money, but will investing in particular company will help them to achieve their overall personal goals. Sense of flow through. When diving into self development, you gain a sense of knowing precisely what you want to achieve. It makes it easier for you to able to see the benefits of taking action on something on your needs. There are many tasks that we cannot enjoy doing, such as waking up early in the morning for the work. However, we know we must do this to reach our objective goals, and seeing the long-term advantages, as I mentioned above, it makes it easier to follow through. This makes us less demotivated and makes the task feel easier to complete. For example, getting into material arts is a great way to feel a sense of flow through your action and ability to work hard to end up goal, and will help you to rank higher in belting system. Sense of connectedness. It makes relations are very important. Emotions relations are very important for self development. There are many times in life when when we can be blinded by the relationship we share. Taking into depth looker into yourself and concentrating on your self development can help to identify relationship and partnership are worth your time and worth you are investing in. Having this type of self awareness can give you skills to make and create relationship that can have a positive impact on you and your life. For example, when you look at the Formula 1 drivers, they have to share strong relationship between the team and they are racing for the car. If any of these relationship lack or fail for whatever reason, it will be shown through in the driver performance. Sense of reliancy. As mentioned above, life can be hard at times. It will throw its fair share of curveballs with his hand. You will need to build a sense of attribution and skills that can help with dealing with them effectively. Developing personally means that it will help you to deal and obstacles in the way before getting into your goals. For example, when children are learning to walk, if they fall, they get up again. When children are learning to walk, if they fall, they get up again. And many successful people goes through failure, rejection, criticism. This is one of the first reason we do in the self development, and later on in life it pays off for us. This reliance as we help us to walk, which leads to running. Sense of urgency. In most cases, inspiration is driven through a sense of urgency. This is a reason. This is a reason for this. This reason for this because it makes our mind work harder. After all, it creates situation as if our life depends on it. For example, many big brands names were created by underdogs with fewer resources and often coming from humble beginnings. Self-development makes us dig deeper in our minds and motivates us to get there faster with quicker response from our action into efficient manner. Self-development and the seventh sense of the self-development. What is self-development? Because it is important. It leads to success in our life. And everyone want to develop this self-development, 7 senses of self-development, because if you want to be a greater success, it is very important. Sense of curiosity, sense of self, sense of direction, sense of flow through, sense of connectedness, sense of reliance, sense of urgency. These are the 7 sense of self-development. Thank you so much. If this video likes you, please share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.